Choosing the right bait casting reel can be challenging. Poor casting control, weak drag systems, heavy frames, or low durability often ruin fishing sessions. That's why modern bait casting reels focus on power, precision, and smooth performance. Today, I'll show you the top 5 best bait casting reels for different fishing styles, from BFS finesse to heavy-duty saltwater use. We analyzed specifications and real user feedback to rank these reels for reliability and value. All product links are in the description for updated prices. Like, comment, and subscribe for more smart fishing gear reviews. Number 5. SOLOKING ASHMOON Alloy Bait Casting Reel. The SOLOKING ASHMOON is a versatile bait casting reel built with a durable alloy frame and a smooth 12+1 bearing system. It delivers up to 6 kg drag power, making it suitable for freshwater and light saltwater fishing. The long handle design improves leverage and control, while BFS compatibility allows accurate lightweight lure casting. It performs well for sea fishing, bass, and all-purpose angling. With smooth retrieval, solid build quality, and reliable braking, this reel offers excellent performance for anglers seeking balance and durability. Number 4. SAMOLLA Electronic Bait Casting Reel. The SAMOLLA Electronic Bait Casting Reel stands out with its built-in LED display and smart power system. It supports USB and solar charging, making it ideal for long outdoor trips. The 7.2:1 high-speed gear ratio ensures fast line retrieval, while the waterproof design suits saltwater fishing. This reel provides smooth casting control and modern convenience, especially for tech-focused anglers. If you want a unique reel that combines performance with innovation, the SAMOLLA is a futuristic and practical option. Number 3. KastKing Centron Lite Bait Casting Reel. The KastKing Centron Lite is designed for anglers who value lightweight performance without sacrificing strength. Its glass fiber-infused nylon frame keeps the reel light yet durable, while the 7-kilogram max drag handles aggressive fish with ease. A 7.1:1 gear ratio delivers fast and smooth retrieves, ideal for bass and freshwater species. The reel offers excellent casting control, comfortable handling, and long-term reliability, making it a great choice for beginners and experienced anglers alike. Number 2. PURELURE MllEC Silver Feather BFS Reel. The PURELURE MllEC Silver Feather is an ultralight BFS bait casting reel built for finesse fishing. Featuring a lightweight 9.58-gram spool, it allows precise casting of small lures for trout, shad, and light freshwater species. Smooth operation, balanced braking, and refined control make it perfect for technical anglers. This reel shines in accuracy and sensitivity, helping you feel every bite. If BFS fishing is your priority, this reel delivers exceptional finesse performance in a compact design. Number 1. Noeby-Pike Bait Casting Fishing Reel. The Noeby-Pike is a powerful bait casting reel built for serious anglers. It features a large capacity spool, a strong 6.4:1 gear ratio, and an impressive 15-kilogram max drag system. Brass gears and stainless aluminum construction ensure durability under heavy load. This reel handles big fish, long casts, and tough conditions with confidence. Ideal for freshwater and saltwater use, the Noeby-Pike offers strength, smoothness, and reliability, making it the top choice for heavy-duty fishing. These bait casting reels offer power, precision, and smooth performance for every fishing style, from finesse BFS to heavy-duty saltwater use. Whether you want lightweight accuracy or maximum drag strength, this list has a perfect option. Which reel suits your fishing style best? Comment below and subscribe for more gear reviews.